Recently, I started following my intuition and my inner voice. Intuition often made me do something I couldn't understand if I thought about it rationally. But after following that decision to do everything intuitively, even the slightest decision seems to have a reason. So I am afraid if I don't follow my intuition, even if it's a very small decision, I think there will be a huge effect on my life and the world. I feel this situation is a blessing, but I'm a little scared. Even a small act could go against intuition. This fear keeps bothering me like a small obstacle. Please say something. Haryun Shin from South Korea.
Haryun Singh, your question is very significant. A reason comes from the mind, and mind is very complex phenomena, and also mind is a root of many problems. Intuition comes from the deeper, from your being. Intuition comes from the being, and feeling comes from the heart. No, so there are three layers: thoughts and idea. Logic comes from your mind. Feeling comes from your heart, and intuition comes from the being. But you have to be careful to discriminate whether from which source it is coming. Sometimes you may be misguided. Even thought can create an illusion that it is your intuition. No? So you have to be very careful. The general formula I can tell you, it's not very easy. General formula I can tell you, whenever you have to discriminate between logic or mind and feeling. No, feeling comes from the heart. Intuition comes from being, and most of the time, unless you do some silent meditation and you are centered within, it's very, because the sound of intuition is very, very feeble. No, so we miss it. Normally, whatever comes from the heart, we consider it intuition. It's not intuition, it is a feeling. But feeling is much better than thoughts. No? So when you have to decide, follow your feeling. If you get intuition, you are lucky, and if you get intuition, then there is no doubt, there is no question, you should follow your intuition. But to understand intuition needs little bit silence, inner silence, little bit meditation. So sometime we understand our feeling as intuition. No, feeling is also much deeper. So I will advise you to follow your feeling. Whenever you have to discriminate between mind and feeling, thought and feeling, follow your feeling. And if you can really, if you're lucky enough and you will get intuition, then follow your intuition, because it comes from the deeper source of you. Intuition comes from the being. No, but mind will create problem. That if you follow intuition, there is no rationality behind it. So mind will create problem. Don't listen to your mind. No? And listen to you. I will tell you feeling. No, intuition is a very advanced thing. No, it comes to when you are very meditative or very silent, very relaxed. Then even feeling is much more better than thoughts. So when you have to discriminate between rationality and feeling, follow your feeling. Feeling is much more pure. I will advise you, for general people, following feeling than mind is a safeguard. No? If you get intuition, really, then there is no question. You should follow your intuition.